If you or someone you know always is losing their wallet, you're going to want to check this one out because this one has the ability to add an AirTag. So if you don't know what an AirTag is, look it up. But basically, this has a spot for an AirTag. You can connect it to Find My, and then you'll always know where your wallet's at. A couple other features I like, this has the RFID blocking for your cards, which is great. We got pockets over here, so we have one there, which is great. And then this is going to open up just like this. And this is for your cards. So you can put up to 12 cards in here, depending on the thickness. And when you want to take them out, you're just going to have that push that down like this. We got a money clip on the inside too. I don't think I've ever seen one on the inside, which is really nice because your money right here is going to be protected. Same with your cards. You don't have to worry about falling out. And we have a nice little pouch here that could be good for an ID. So if you're looking for a great wallet that you could put an AirTag in that works really well, is slim, definitely check this out. And thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.